After a lot of research, I just got myself the Weber E335 barbecue. I am so in love with this. We've already cooked with it more nights than not. And one of the things I love the most is that you can swap out one of the sides of the basic grill for an accessory add-on. And this piece comes with the barbecue itself, and then you have to get the different accessories. So the first accessory I got was the Weber crafted roasting basket. And I gotta tell you, I love this. When you put it in, just keep in mind that it doesn't fit exactly as you want. It'll be a little loose, but you basically just clamp it on one edge just so it's not going to slide on you. And then it is perfection for roasting vegetables, cooking a fragile piece of fish. Whatever you want to cook that you usually wouldn't grill because it would just fall through the grates, that's no longer an excuse. You really can cook anything on this. You can oil it down if you want to, or just use it as is. It is stainless steel. And then once you're done, you can just toss this in the dishwasher if you have the room, or just give it a quick scrub. I hope this video helps you understand what this roasting basket is all about.